The Germ-X 8-ounce pump bottle is a classic for a reason. With 62% ethyl alcohol, it kills 99.99% of many common germs fast. No water needed. Perfect for desks, counters, or on-the-go cleanups. It dispenses smoothly with a no-mess pump, and the formula is infused with vitamin E and moisturizers to help prevent dry, cracked hands, even with frequent use. The light, clean scent is non-overpowering, making it a solid choice for homes, offices, classrooms, or public spaces where scent sensitivity matters. It's TSA-friendly and compact enough to stash in a bag, yet lasts long enough to get through a season of heavy use. Dependable, no-frills germ defense that just works. We give it 2 thumbs up, stock up below, and stay sanitized.
Thanks again for joining us here on TrendPunk, where we buy everything we review so you don't have to.